So okay, from last week, what we talked about was conditional probability, right? On tree diagram. So let's just do it quick right now. Just in case you are not aware, tree diagram, there are two ways of drawing a tree diagram, right? One is when you start with A first, okay? And the other one is start with B first. So that is the main thing. So for example, both give different stuff. So this will give you a probability. We talk about this. This is the probability of A happening where given B already happened. This is probability of A prime already happening given B already happened. So just so you know, PA given B happens is equals to 1 minus PA prime over B. You don't really need to memorize this, but it's just basically right because this is a minus, you minus 1, these both add up to 1, like just what you do in secondary school lah. So just know what you can get from each. So for example, this one here is quite straightforward. The first two is quite straightforward. Okay, now given that A already happened, you want what is the chances that B happen? Okay, and let's say A prime already happened, what's B prime? So you just go and find out. So A given probability of B given A happen would be 4/7. This is probability of B given A already happened. So this is 4/7. Right. So this is quite straightforward. This is 4/7. Okay. Then you need to find PB prime given A prime already happened. So this will be 7/12, right? So this is 3/5. So this is just 7/12. This is PB prime given A prime already happened. Okay. Then the next question is, Mr. Gunn, how do I find PA/B? Okay, so that's the important part. How do you find? Can you find it from this tree diagram? Can you find it from this tree diagram? The answer is no, right? You can't find it from this tree diagram straight away because this tree diagram doesn't start with B. What you want is starting from B with B. So what you can get is actually you just put P A intersect B over PB. Use the formula. Okay. So A intersect B over PB. That's it. Then what you do is you just find PB and PA intersect B. So that's 3. PA intersect B will be this multiplied with this. You just multiply both sides. You get the answer here. So this case here, PA intersect B is 2/5 times 4/7. So this will be this multiplied with this will be 2/5 8/35. Okay. Then if you want PB, what do you do? PB, we discussed last week briefly lah. To find PB from this diagram, you just add everything that contains B. Because some fragment of B is in A, some fragment of B is in A prime. So you just add both of them up. Okay. So you this you multiply them. Okay. So this is PA prime intersect B. It's 3/5 times 5/12. This will be 3/12. If you think about it, this you add both of these up to get PB. Because on the Venn diagram, A intersect B is here in the middle. Then A prime intersect is this crescent here. Okay, it all tallies up one. It all is like just nicely like tally things up. So you key in calculator. Supposedly you should get the answer. This is 8/35. 32/67. Okay, that's how you do this question here. Part 4 is just finding here. B prime. Okay, so intersect A prime intersect B prime will be Okay. Just key in calculator, you should get the answer. Yeah, I think that's pretty okay. Now try the vaccinated one.